I love that whole beginning bit with the chair and the microphone stand. The way they were passing it around, it was just amazing.
If you ain't know, now you know. Let me shoot some real quick. Follow me.
Hi everyone, I'm going to react to BTS Airplane Part 2 live. I'm curious about this because I know Airplane is a song that J-Hope came up with, so I'm not sure how this is different, or maybe it's not, but we'll see. Here we go. A single chair. Are we in a cabaret? This stuff, man. This is so cool. Ooh, this sounds so good. I was listening to this. Oh. The way Sugar walked on stage, he looked like a no grandpa or something. Yeah. What the? Mariachi. I feel like the last focus was on him because, you know, Airplane, him. Who was about to say it and then somebody really interrupted me, like J-Hope. Yeah, I was about to say that when the music, when I heard the music at first, I was like, is this a cabaret kind of thing? But I said a cabaret, but I wasn't really thinking about that. I was trying to figure out what kind of melody or what kind of, I don't know, what it reminded me of. And it wasn't until they said El Mariachi that I'm like, okay, Spanish, you know. some kind of Spanish music, Spanish guitar, something Spanish. And it wasn't until it said, "El mariachi, mariachi." Oh, this voice are gonna kill me. I love that whole beginning bit with the chair and the microphone stand. The way they were passing it around, it was just amazing. I love that. And then when Jane was like, we're singing a little bit, pass the microphone to Rap Monster, and he'll be rapping, he'll come back around, singing, and then I just love this. And then the choreo, oh my gosh. BTS. I love them. I love them and I love this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.